everybody. This is going to be our last garden video of the year. The exciting part about that is that next year we're going to be in the garden together. I cannot wait for that. So today what I'm going to do is show you how we planted potatoes in our garden. And then I'm going to do a really simple activity with you that you can take with you all summer long and do wherever you are, as long as you're outside enjoying nature. So it's a really fun little thing that you can just do on your own. And then last thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a whole bunch of videos and pictures from this year in the garden. Since nobody got to be there but me and my kids, I thought it would be fun to share those, and there's a cute little story that is going to be told while those go on. So I hope you have fun, and I cannot wait to see you. Have a great summer. Potatoes! We planted so many potatoes, and here they are. This is us rototilling and getting that brand new bed all ready. It was a long one, so we used the rototiller. And then we had to rake it out and make kind of a trench to put the potatoes in. And here are the massive amounts of potatoes that we were given by Eddie at Deep Seated Community Farm. So these were their leftovers, and there were 3 different varieties. Kind of a pink skin one, just a regular looking russet type potato, and then a purple potato. So we spaced them out and we planted them all along the whole side of the fence. And here's my helpers getting creative. And here they are. We are going to have so many potatoes. There they are. So these will grow all summer, and we will harvest them in the fall, and we'll hand some out, and we'll make a delicious feast that we can eat together when the fall comes. I cannot wait. These are nature mandalas. You can pause it and take a look at them if you'd like. They're really beautiful. And this is the activity we're doing today. It's a really simple but beautiful and fun activity that you can do anytime this summer. Lulu and I made one in the garden on the table, and we used mostly flowers and a rock and some little wood chips. And all you do is you start with a center point, and then you make things in circles around it or in symmetrical patterns around it. So you start and you go all 4 directions, and then you slowly add to that and make a big, beautiful mandala. I've seen these made with wood and leaves. I've seen them made with flowers. I've seen them made with only rocks at the beach. They're really, really fun and really beautiful. I think some of the fun of doing this is doing them out in nature where people wouldn't expect to find them, and then leaving them there so that when somebody comes down a trail or walks down to a beach, they see this beautiful work of art that eventually will just blow back into nature. So you don't ever want to put anything in it that's not going to decompose back into nature. And here's our finished product. So do this all summer. Whenever it comes to your mind, make a beautiful mandala in nature and leave it there for other people to find. Most of all, have fun with it. Woohoo! We all did it. We made it through this really hard year. I want to give you all a big, huge congratulations on getting through this school year that was so different than any other school year. I want you guys just to be able to relax and listen to these little stories by Frog and Toad and watch as I play some of the videos and pictures we've taken throughout this year. So have fun and have a great summer, and I will see you in the garden next year.
Frog said these seeds would grow soon. But soon was over a long time ago. Yes, I'm quite sure that soon is over, and now it is later. Much later. Oh, this is all my fault. I must have frightened them very badly. Oh, Seeds, I'm sorry. I did not mean to raise my voice at you. Don't be afraid, go on and grow. Are you afraid or are you slow? I am your gardener, you are my seeds. I will attend to all of your needs. Come on, up out of the dirt. It's safe out here, you won't get hurt. It's safe out here, you have my word. You don't believe me, let's ask a bird. Hey, bird!
What is it, Toad?
I have some seeds planted in the ground.
Seeds? Terrific. I love seeds.
You see seeds? You are loved here.
Where are they? I want to eat them.
Bird, go away. They will hear you.
Seeds can't hear.
They hear everything.
Come on, Toad. Let me eat just one.
Shh. No one will harm you. No one will dare. If anyone tries, I'll be there. I will be watching every minute, every hour, till you grow up to be a flower. Don't be afraid, go on and grow. Are you afraid or are you slow? I am your gardener, you are my seeds. I will attend to all of your needs. Seeds, I will recite for you a poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. They are flowers just like you. Seeds, I will do an interpretive dance for you. Seeds, I will play the tuba for you. Seeds, I gotta rest. But I will be right here if you need me. Toad, wake up. Oh, Frog, I was up half the night. I think I must have frightened my seeds very badly.
Well, you couldn't have frightened them too badly, Toad. They're growing.
They are?
Look!
I don't see.
But look more closely.
Oh, my! You're right, Frog. They are growing. They're awfully small.
They will grow bigger.
When?
Soon, Toad. Soon. Toad.
Blah.
Toad.
Blah.
Hibernation's over.
No, it isn't.
Oh, but it is so, Toad. Flowers grow, Toad, sprouting through the clover.
Blah. Clover.
Toad.
Blah.
Toad, your alarm clock is ringing. It's spring.
It's spring?
Yes.
Ding, ding-a-ling, is it spring, is it true?
Yes.
Frog, would you please be so kind as to hand me my shoe?
Why, certainly, Toad.
Thank you, Frog. Good night, Clover.
But Toad, it's April.
Oh, is it April?
Yes.
Good. Wake me up in May.
But Toad, I will be lonely without you.
Blah.
I love the spring, it's an excellent season. Wonderful things to see and to do. And yet I am sad for an excellent reason. Spring isn't springy, no, not without you. But Toad, it is a long time until May. Well, January's over. February's over. March is over. April's almost over. Oops, I guess April is over. Toad, it's May!
It's May?
According to your calendar.
Oh, my! There's so much to do. I've got to clean the house, and I've got to mulch the yard, and I've got to get some breakfast. I haven't eaten since January. Frog!
Yes, Toad?
Frog!
What is it?
You know, I was just thinking, that extra month of sleep really makes a difference.
Smell the flowers, see the plants, hear the marching of the ants. Feel the sunshine, feel the breeze.
Look out, Frog, here come some bees.
Listen to the birdies sing.
Tweet, 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 let's greet the spring.
Let's greet the spring. It's spring.
Garden grow. Gonna mulch it deep and low. Gonna make it fertile ground. In